Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the straps at the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. For that we need to turn the watch to the other side and then you will see at the end of the straps these little buttons. And all we need to do now is to go with our finger or with our fingernail into that button completely to the end and then lift up one part and remove the other part as well. Same thing on the other side, so just deeply press the button in and then remove one part and the other part as well. Okay, then take your new strap, in my case I just have one here, and then enter this button again, even if it's painful, and then enter one side first and after the other one. No? And then just shake it a bit and then you can see if it's well inserted. Same thing now with the other side, so press this button deeply inside. Start with the first side and take then the other side and then just move it a bit to make sure that it's well inserted. Yeah, as you can see, not that difficult. You can make it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.